Now we are going to start up with the many addition polymers, that how they are formed actually. So the first category we are starting with polyolefins. They are all addition polymers. So the first is we have polythene. As the name suggests, ethene means it is formed or you can say its monomer is ethene. So this is my monomer, and you know that we can make two types of polythene, that is the low density polythene and the high density polythene, just depending upon the catalyst what we are using. So the monomer in both the cases is same, but when you are doing in the presence of peroxide, it will form a polythene, but if you are doing in the presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, it will form a polythene, but here the polythene will be of low density and here it will have a high density. So as it has a low density, so it is tough, flexible, poor conductor, and it is comparatively more tough, more hard, and due to which like it's not it's so flexible, so it is used in making insulation of wires, toys, etc. And here it is used in making the hard containers, bottles, hard toys, likewise, because it is comparatively tough. But in both the cases the monomer is going to be ethene, right, but only the difference, that is the catalyst. Second we have is the Teflon. The monomer for the Teflon is this tetrafluoroethene. It is tetrafluoroethene. So the n number of units will just polymerize and they will give a Teflon. And as far as the uses are concerned, it acts as oil seals and it is used for making the non-sticky surface of any utensils whenever you need. Next is polystyrene. As the name suggests, the monomer is styrene, which is CH double bond CH2, and you have a C6H5, and here the catalyst is benzoyl peroxide. Right, and they are going to, you know that how to link up, just to open the bond and write N, that means this unit will keep on repeating. And you know that it is polystyrene is used in making toys, radios and TV cabinets also. Likewise, we have one more famous polymer, that is PVC Polyvinyl Chloride. As the name suggests, its monomer is vinyl chloride, that is this CH2 double bond CH2Cl, and it polymerizes in the presence of dibenzoyl peroxide. N number of units keep on repeating, forming this PVC. It is actually hard, resistance to heat and chemicals, therefore used in making raincoats and the toys. Likewise, we have polypropylene. As the name suggests, propylene is the monomer. So this is CH3CH double bond CH2 polymerized, and we get this polypropylene. So this is how you're going to sum up and you do the addition. As you have seen in all the cases, what I've done, I've just taken the monomer, I wrote N, that means many units, and when I want to link it up, I just open this double bond and this linkage becomes somehow like this, and this is the unit which will keep on repeating throughout the chain, and we'll get a giant molecule, that is the polymer. So these are all the addition polymers of the category polyolefins. We'll start with polyamides now.